What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can use a software that is going to give you a certificate, and you have to go and give the questions and you have to answer them. So if you think you have the skills of web designing, web development, or anything related to code, you can go and visit on sololearn.com, and here is my profile. Just go on and search solo learn and you will end up on this website. It is going to be working on your desktop as well as on your mobile phone. I use it on my mobile phone, and this is how it is going to look. So it is on Google Play, so for Android device Play Store you can say. So this is how the interference of solo learn is inside a mobile phone, but I'm going to go and show you on my desktop. So this is my profile. I had already learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL and all. So I already know that. So what you have to do for that is you have to go and give the questions and answer. So this is my course, and if I just go and look for certificates, I do have certificates. So if I click on that one and if I open that certificate on my new tab, it is going to go and download that one. And if I click on it, so this is going to show me that JavaScript certificate has been provided to me by Solo Learn, and it has been given to me on 15 July. Actually that was my birthday, so I waited for that, and on my birthday I took my certificate. So it's up to you. Actually I took my certificate. It's not like that. I answered the last question on my birthday and everything else was already been done inside my course. So it is not going to take long. It's just a questionnaire. If you go and get the certificate done, you're going to go and get an online certificate, and you can go and show it to your boss. And if you want to go for the interview or something like that, you have a certificate for free. You don't have to pay anything for that. So you just have to download that one. You have to sign up, you have to add your name, and that's how you're going to go and get your certificate. And my certificates, so Java certificate, JavaScript, SQL, fundamental, CSS, and there are too many courses on, but I already know all of this one, so I just try that. And this one is for Ruby. I don't know Ruby, so I'm trying that one as well. So if I go on Solo Learn, how this course is all about, so it will go and ask you C++, take a course, JavaScript, Java tutorial. So I had already taken Java course, so I'm just going to go and give you a demo on that. So if I click on take the course, it is going to ask that Java has been installing, and it is going to ask you all of the certificates like basic concept, condition and loops, array, classes and objective, and so on. And end of that one, it is going to have some question. You have to answer that question, and if you go and do that correct, you're going to go and get a certificate. It also has the competition, like let me just go and show you. If I click on this one, introducing to Java, so it is going to tell you about Java. If I click on next, it is going to ask you the question: to distribute an application in different platform, how many Java version do we need to create? The answer is just one. If you go and say it wrong, so it is going to go and tell you that it has been wrong. So I click on yes, so it just says correct, and now it's like second, and you are going to get an achievement unlocked. And if you click on next, and again and on and on, achievement unlocked, hat trick. So I already did like 3-1 achievement unlocked halfway through, and that's about it. So this is how it is going to be done. Let's go on my course. Java, C, C++, C Sharp, Swift, and all of the coding things are there is been provided to this one as well. It also gives you code playground, so you can go and browse on other people's. There are a lot of people's, and what is training most recent, what is most popular in your area. It is also in download on App Store, and you can learn it on web as well. So I'm showing it on web, and go and click on discussion. You can go and do some discussion. You can ask your new question. If you have some questions, you will get all of the top leaders who actually get some XP, and they have already done so many courses, and there are blog posts. So their Solo Learn is giving you the blog post, which you can go and read all of that. They have the competition. You can go and do some competition. And this is my profile. Again, it is going to go and give you some achievement that I have given an upvote on hat trick. You just saw hat trick certificate on right just right now, and all of them other are also there. So it is going to go and give you, like, you have given some competition, you have your own edit profile, you can go and use your edit profile. If you want, you can go and follow me as well. I don't have so many XP, but it's better to have something than having nothing. I just showed you how the certificates are going to look. You can go and give the questions and all. So that's about it. Just go and download it on your Play Store, on your App Store. I don't have an iPhone, I have an Android phone, so I use it on my Android device. And as you can see, it is already showing I have installed it and I am using it. And the best part is free coding, so you are going to go and learn. It is going to be like a questionnaire. Just go and answer the questions, read, learn, and you are going to get a certificate for free. You can show it to your boss, and that's a good sign of you learning by yourself. It will make sure you must be having some certificate. It is going to go and provide you. You can learn about machine learning. You can go and learn about all of this one. It is going to go and give you the progress bar, how much you have done and how much you have not done. So it's very nice to have something and get your post, and this is how you are going to go and get your level, that you have achieved something. It shows what, how many skills do you have and how many badges you have earned. You are going to go and add some code by that one as well. So it's very nice. I really liked. It's also showing you, it's in the tablet mode, and you can see what are the courses you have signed up for, and it's for free, so don't worry for the money charges and all. So just go and do that. I really liked it, so I just showed you, because even I am doing that course and I learned from it. I get some certificates. I also showed it in my job profile that I have my solo learn. It is online certificate, so you can go and show it. You can also share it with LinkedIn, and you can share it with Facebook as well, and it also goes and give you the date on which date you have achieved that certificate. So that's about it for this video. I hope you download this solo learn app. I highly recommend it. You can go and do that, and you will definitely learn something from it. So I hope you found this video informative and useful. And if I think you are a programmer, if you are looking forward for being a programmer, you learn something, you want a certificate, go and do that and get a certificate for free. So I hope you found this video informative, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. You can also follow me on that one as well. Just a tip if you want to follow me. Alright, so see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.